Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I like to make a video that I hope will be helpful to digging your journey in image processing. In this video we will talking about OpenCV. So what is the OpenCV? The full form of OpenCV is Open Source Computer Vision. It is a computer vision and machine learning library made by Intel, and the great thing about OpenCV is that this is a cross-platform library, which means you can use various languages with OpenCV. Now take a look how to install OpenCV. Right now I am using PyCharm. If you are using any another IDM, you can just simply install OpenCV by go to command prompt, cmd command prompt, and write the command pip install OpenCV-Python. And hit enter. It just simply install your OpenCV automatically, but I am using PyCharm, so I don't prefer that, so Control C. By the way, OpenCV is made by C and C++, just for knowledge. Now for install OpenCV for PyCharm, just go to File and Settings and go to Projects and Project Interpreter and click on plus icon and search for OpenCV Python and just click on it and click on install package. I already installed it. Now we write our first code. To write your first code in OpenCV, first import the OpenCV. Okay, so import import CV2. Now you thinking what is the CV2? Now what is CV2? CV2 is the latest interface of OpenCV, so that's why we import CV2. Okay, so the first program we write is for showing our image. So yeah, I already have image. The image call is Centauri.jpg. So we create a variable name path equal to image path. So my image path is Centauri.jpg. Okay. Now what we need to read image. Okay. So first we create a variable name image equal to CV2 dot imRead. What we want to read? We want to read the image in the path. So we give path, and then we need to show our image. So how we can show? We can show our image by CV2 dot imShow and give it a label like image, and source is image. Now we run it. So as you see, the image are come and go for a second or millisecond or microsecond. So we want to stop it. So how can we stop our image? CV2 dot wait key and 0. Now what happened here? Your image is waiting for your response. If you click any key, your image is gone. So let's run it. Shift F10 to quick run, and that's how you see your image is stable right now. And if I press exit, it will close. But you can see there is one more issue, the issue of size. The image size is so big, so we can to make it small, what we do, we can create a variable name width. And give the width 640 and create a variable name height. and give the height for 80 and create a set name dim and put the value of width and height in dim. So we can put the value of width comma height. Now we are using the function name resize. So how to use resize? We can create a variable name image equal to cv2 dot resize and what is the source is image, and what is the size of width and height, it's dim, actually it's set, and then write interpolation equal to cv2 dot inter area. And what we need now, we need to show our image, so control D and write a label name image, and what is the source is image, and now run it. First of all we comment out this one. Now run it. Now as you can see, the image shape is changed. If you want to play with the height and width, you can simply change it by here. I will give you the width of 200 and height of 100 and run it. Okay. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.